Welcome to Investigation Video Editor. In this tutorial, I will discuss the new Investigation Video Editor Project Action Report and its benefits. I will demonstrate how it is made, and after I create one in this video, I will explain all of it in detail. Over the past few years, numerous users have asked us if IVE produces any kind of documentation confirming any internal information about the video clips that are used in a project, or if IVE creates any kind of documentation revealing if any adjustments or edits were made to those video clips that are used in a project. Up until now, our answer was no. Not anymore. After every successful export, IVE now generates a PDF report called the Project Actions Report, or PAR for short. The PAR discloses any edits or adjustments made to the video files in your project. Let me show you how the PAR is created. Let me make an IVE project with some edits, and then I will show you how the PAR discloses those edits. Here I have a project where 3 cameras were used: Investigator 1 main, Investigator 1 covert, and Investigator 2 main. And the Investigator 1 covert camera's date is off by 1 year and 1 day, so I will make an adjustment to this camera folder that will show up in the PAR. I go into adjustment for that camera folder, adjust it by adding 1 year and 1 day to that video so that it falls chronologically in order with the other video, and that adjustment is made. Now let's say you have a client that does not want any blurry video, so I will cut a few seconds off of this clip, number 11, and delete the blurry section, and then I will cut a few seconds off of this clip, number 14, and delete the blurry section. And finally, even though I do not need to do it, I just want it to show up on the PAR, I am going to adjust the contrast on this video clip. And I am good with this project, but before I export, I will save this IVE project to the folder where the video clips are. And I will name the IVE project Smith, and let's export. I will name the final video file, the file name, which is Smiths-HS11K. And export. After exporting, you will notice the options to play the video file, open the folder where the video file is created, and a third option which is Open PAR. I am going to select Open Folder, as it shows that the PAR is created in the same location as the video file was created. And you can see that the PAR has a unique name in that it has the date and time it was created in the name. And it should be the exact same date and time that the corresponding video file was created. So back to IVE, and I will click on Open PAR. And here it is. This is the IVE Project Action Report that was created specifically for this project. Every single one that is created is unique, and let's go over it and I will explain what it reveals. The first page lists the PAR's intent and contents. This gives the reader an understanding of the PAR's purpose and what IVE's limitations are when it comes to preparing the final video file. The top portion of the first page does not change. What is unique to the first page of the PAR is that the IVE saved project, as well as the final video file name that was created by this project, are listed at the bottom. The date and time the report was generated is also listed. As the final video file that IVE created should be presented along with this report, the date and time can be cross-referenced with the date and time listed in the final video file's metadata. Also detailed on every report, and listed on all pages at the bottom, is the date and time that this report is created and the number of pages. This can be used to verify if any pages have been removed, and also to verify which video file this PAR is associated to. This gives each project actions report its uniqueness. Starting on the second page of every report, and always continuing to the second last page of every report, is where all of the video files used in the project are listed. The video files are itemized in the order they are arranged in the project. Let's go through the columns. The first column lists the camera folder the video clips are found in within IVE. The second column shows the names of the video clips along with their format. The third column lists the date and time for every video clip according to the original metadata. As you can see for this project I did, the covert camera's times are off by 1 year and 1 day from the other videos. The next column will indicate if IVE's reverse timestamp option was used. If it was not used, the column will remain blank. The RTS option is explained on the next page of the report so that there will be no confusion to the reader. The next column is an important one. This column shows if any of the camera folders have their date or time adjusted, and it will show how much time was added or subtracted. As you can see in this report, for the Investigator 1 covert folder, I added 1 year and 1 day. The next column shows the duration of each video clip with the split second rounded down. The next column will reveal if any section or sections of a video clip was removed. If the box on this line of the report is blank, then no part of the video clip was removed. However, if the word yes is present, then a portion or portions of that video clip have been removed. And the next column will list the total duration that were removed from that video clip. As you can see from my project, I removed 3 seconds from clip number 11. And the last 2 columns in the report will indicate if the brightness or contrast of a video clip were adjusted. As you can see, I adjusted the contrast on one of the video clips. And at the bottom of page 2 and 3, you can see the date and time the report was created and the page numbers, again confirming that all of these pages are linked together. And finally, the last page of every report lists in detail an explanation of the columns and what they depict. As you can see here, for example, the IVE RTS option is explained in lengthy detail. And that is it. The Project Actions Report will answer the questions before they are asked. It reveals what actions, if any, were taken when preparing the final video file with IVE. You can present this report along with the final video IVE created, and keep the original out-of-camera videos in the event someone questions one of your edits or needs to cross-reference the original metadata. If you or any of the people you present the Project Actions Report to have any questions about the report or how it is generated, please do not hesitate to contact us at team@investigationve.com. Thank you for watching.